Welcome back to Western New York Living. It's that time of year where the roads are filled with shoppers, individuals, and families heading to parties and folks just out enjoying the holidays. So staying safe while driving is something all of us should think about more when we take to the streets this time of year. And joining us this morning are two individuals who stress safe driving all times of the year from the William Mattar Law Offices, attorney Brendan Denz and marketing manager Julie Bellanca. Thank you both for being here. December is Impaired Driving Prevention Month, and probably a rightful time for that, although every month we should probably strive for that, Brendan. But you've worked with several clients who've been injured by impaired drivers. Just talk about what that experience is like and, what happens after the crash.
Well, yeah, I've represented many people who have been impacted by drunk driving, impaired driving, and most of the time these are high-speed collisions that cause significant head trauma, permanent spinal injuries that may require surgical intervention in order to repair those injuries, fractured bones, death, of course. And the biggest problem is the loss of enjoyment of life. Your life is completely changed from the day before the crash and the day after the crash. When you wake up in the morning, your life is completely different than it was before.
Yeah, I'm sure many of the clients that you get awards for would probably rather have their health back.
Yeah, they definitely would, and it's through no fault of their own that that their life is dramatically changed. You lose time with your family, you lose time with work, and you're constantly reminded about the things that you're no longer able to do that you were able to do before.
Julie's going to tell us how William Mattar is going to help out here in a moment, but you also have some statistics that you want to share with us here.
Yeah, so in 2020 nationally, there was an alcohol-related traffic incident that resulted in the death, and that happens every 45 minutes.
Wow.
Which is a very staggering number. And there was also 11,000 people who were killed in drunk driving accidents in 2020 alone. So you can imagine that that's 11,000 lives that were impacted, and not including all their families and friends and coworkers.
Yeah, preventable.
Absolutely preventable.
Deaths there too. And we should mention it's not just alcohol, right? People think drugs, even just medication they may take, doesn't affect them, but it does.
It absolutely does, and that's a big thing. There's a lot of people on prescription medication. Cannabis is becoming legal, and that is really affecting when people are mixing alcohol and prescription drugs. It's really affecting their driving.
All right, let's talk about the holidays because a lot of people like to celebrate, Julie, and William Mattar again this year, the Safe Ride Home for the Holidays. Tell us about this program.
Yeah, it's a program that we do every December. Obviously, there's a lot of celebrating going on, probably a little bit more alcohol than normal. And we just want to spread awareness and hopefully, like we said before, all of this is preventable, and to keep the people that were being designated drivers safe as well. So what we're doing this year is we are giving away 444 $20 Uber gift cards, and they will be valid for New Year's Eve. And this way we hope people will take advantage of that, they can celebrate and get home safe. And we will start that in mid-December, where you can register, but all the information for that is going to be on williammattar.com. And go to the community tab, and underneath you'll see Safe Ride Home for the Holidays, and you'll have all the information you need to register. And hopefully you'll be one of the first people to get the Uber card.
There you go, pay for the ride home, but it's also a great reminder that services like Uber exist, so we can prevent these accidents.
Absolutely. And if you're having drinks over the holidays, just remember, you can always get a ride home somehow.
Yeah. All right. Great information there. Thank you both for being here today and sharing that information. The William Mattar Law Offices want to keep everyone safe on the road this holiday season. It is all part of their Safe Ride Home for the Holidays campaign. To find out more about this campaign, and you can enter for those Uber gift cards, head right to the website for that, williammattar.com. Over 440 of them that they're going to give away. They'll find all the information you need right there again at williammattar.com. Now, coming up in our second half hour, we're going to tell you how you can become a big brother or big sister. They'll be joining us to talk about the unique services they offer for children in our community. This and much more still to come. Stay with us.
This segment of Western New York Living was sponsored by the following: